What is going on, people? You are currently watching my first Adobe video that I have posted / created for this channel. So this is pretty exciting. I decided to create something pretty simple for this one. I'm using Adobe Illustrator, as you probably already noticed, and I'm also using an isometric grid. Isometric grids like this, you can find them all over the internet. Or you can honestly make one if you'd like, but I would not do that because you can find them so easily on the internet. And you can see we're making the trees right now. I make 3 of them and I'm changing the colors. One thing that was super helpful for this project was the color guide. So the color guide basically gave me all the colors that I would use for this project. It was extremely easy. Now you see me putting in the bench, adding some dimension to the pond, and also these rocks. So for literally every single one of these, I used that color guide, and it worked out amazingly. Next, you'll see me put in here a monument in just a second, and you might think at first, like, what is this? Yeah, I just told you. It just needed something here, and it just kind of worked with this monument idea. It's like a sign, okay? And I thought it looked decent. It doesn't look terrible. It just fills in that space there. You're going to notice now we're putting in the shadows for the trees, the benches, the rocks. Very simple, not too difficult. And right after that, we'll be done. If you found this cool, interesting, whatever, please give me a like, man. I'm new around here, so that would be very motivating for me. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask me or anything. Thank you all for watching.